Cannot go. And then keep door closed. You see? The giant red mess. Yeah. Okay, second round. Yeah, second round. I like here it have a big space for kid outdoor activity.
Red is fine. Like younger.
Okay, today we come Grandad apple farm. They just opened yesterday on Friday, and today we come check on Saturday what they have there. And this is the outdoor activity for kids. They have corn mess, but not yet open. It is open on Labor Day. No, anh nó con mấy hả bà? Đau vậy lòng bay mau trên nào môn. Anh nó. Let's go. Play first. Thằng con này vô capybara mà được hình ấy. Cái này trong thao đồ mùi be á, mùi King Kong ấy á. Ok, mà mi thọt ỏi. Ok mà, con bay một bên đây mà mi thọt ỏi dù. Bay một bên đây mà. Oh. Oh wow. Con cho đây ấy con. Mà bên này ôn á. A couple of good apple at Grandad. Ok. Hả. 1, 2, 3. Pa khát một tích nhất pa, khát một tích. Ôn ba này đây pa khát một. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Anh được walk up nó hết con nào. Nè. How tall this fall? Cho mất con. Cho mất.
3.
Yeah. 3 people there. Hoặc là con cho mất rồi là cho nổ. Cho khẩn nữa còn nè, kháng nè. Ok nè, cho nè, cho nó nè. Yeah, ok. Đó, một mình mời được mất. Không à. 1, 2, 3. Bài một bên nè. Ok, tao một lạnh là nữa hả? 3 people over there. Hello, con ai lên ấy? Ok, mommy can are you? I hold for you. I get chop sang con, I get chop sang, wet sang. Ok. Wet sang con, wet sang, I get mau sang. No, this one.
Oh.
Yeah. I mean, it's just a don't type. You okay?
No.
You're not okay? Yeah. It's just a don't type. Lẹ bạn. Okay. Okay. Wow. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'm sorry, I dropped your capybara. It fall out. Oh. Sebab ping-ping á. Spider. Yeah.
This one.
It's spider. I like here it have a big space for kid outdoor activity. Good. Ticket mất rồi. Yeah. Almost. Wow, good job. Oh, you want to try this one more? Okay. Yeah. Trong cái đánh trong con chó nó ok. Dạ, đã chân cho này trong xá còn cũng đã chân trâu bà hao nó mới lẹ chân trâu này. Yeah. Yeah, đã chân con cho này trong sai đó á. Good. Oh. It is 10 o'clock á. Oh, Oma. Good job. Yay! Let's do it again. Okay, come here. Come this way.
I like comfortable sleep.
Oh, okay. Okay. Cannot go. And then they keep door closed like good. You see? The giant red mess. Yeah. Bên đây cái trâu trong bên đây keep the door closed.
Now climb like this.
Enter this way. Okay? Yeah. This way. Enter. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Trâu là. Okay.
Keep going, baby girl. Where do you go next? Follow the maze. Follow the path.
Go ahead and burn.
Exit hả? Hộp là exit khơi nhá cơ. You can find the exit. Oh, here you are. Oh. Oh. Yeah, let's go. Find the exit. Let's go. Find the exit. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Good job. Yeah. Good job. You find the exit. Okay. Give me your hand. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Again. Again. Go enter this way. Yeah. You want again go enter? Yeah. Okay. Play this one. Yeah. Cho thử cái ba đó. Viêm hả? Viêm lá. You okay? Yeah. Oh, you want to take a picture? Okay. Okay.
And then the ball again, he cannot climb up to the stand. Family is on
What song you singing?
fire.
Okay. Sing again, please.
No, I stopped.
You stop. Yeah.
My ear. I'm gonna take a picture again.
You want to take picture again? Hmm?
Where they going?
Cái tao quay ngay.
These wings?
Ừ. Chó má còn. Chó. Chà chà chà. Chà. Almost. Almost. Nhà cái chích bia máu hay cái chạo với chành.
Alright, it's a maze on the inside. There's one way in and one way out.
Yeah, hay vô tôi chặt cái làng xanh còn. Sạch tranh hả mấy? Hả? À, chết à? peach. Here is a peach. Let's go. Now go to buy donut. No. Mình cho tinh nặng ba đấy là cồn. No. Come this way, okay? Thế? Come this way, okay?
No.
Go this way.
No.
Huh? Go buy donut. Go buy donut. Go buy donut, yeah. You see? Enter here, where? Morning. Say morning. Con tinh ấy.
What can I get for you? Want something else? Want something? Oh.
Yes, she want donut.
One donut?
Apple.
Half dozen. Please, but. Yeah, not yet. Apple, not yet. Half donut.
And anything else? Well, half a dozen donuts, right?
Yeah, half dozen.
Okay, and you want anything to drink?
No, thank you. Go this way.
Just a half a dozen.
Yeah,
Is it gonna be
I want to buy
cash. No candy.
$7.75.
Okay, 75. Mất con. No candy, please. Wait. Yeah, wait, con.
You gave me an extra $1.
Oh, thank you. May I have a bag? Thank you. Easy carry.
Have a great day.
Thank you. Oh. No. You want ice cream? Okay. Go pay money for. Money up?
$4.75.
Okay, 475. Thốt bác, thốt vậy. Nó là gì dọa cả chặt tôi bán đấy mà. Không phải. Ba hả? Mới sẵn này à?
Mua nào đó.
Nhưng mà đâm đá nữa.
Ai cũng bị túi nhé.
Cha, con chăm tịnh.
Cả túi với cả mi điểm. Cái nhà bán mình.
Giờ đi bán ơi.
Đi bán.
Cha. Oh. You want go sit over there? Yeah, go over there. Walk over there. Oh.
Here you can see the water.
And this lavender. Lavender.
The house can see the people in it. They be here.
They have a cauldron here, but it don't have right now. Ma, you want take a picture? I take for you. You want take photo?
Yeah, they have right.
Okay, sit and eat for, okay? Công tán áp, chụp sức. Có nhá. And this is donut and the spoon. Just look around.
Bye.